guys, my name is Samriddhi Tripathi and I am studying class 5th. So today's my topic is about digestive system. You in almost everyone who has seen my video, you have some doubts in the digestive system. If you have some doubts, then today in this video all that doubts will clear. So let's start our journey. So, a digestive system is a system that helps us to digest our food. So, the process of the digestion is called the digestion, and in the where the digestion is done inside our digestive system. So without digestive system we cannot digest our food. So the first organ of our digestive system is our mouth. So we eat food from our mouth. So in our mouth there are small organs like tongue, teeth, lips, etc. The mouth I will explain you after sometimes. So after the mouth you will go to through the neck, and here in the between the lungs there is two types of pipe. First is windpipe and second is food pipe. So windpipe is a pipe that take the air to the lungs, and the food pipe is a pipe that take food to the stomach. So these are, if you are thinking that these two are same, that these two are not same. These two are different. So after the windpipe take the food to the stomach, and the stomach store the food inside it. After sometimes the process of the digestion start. First the food will go through the tube of the stomach, then it will go through the small intestine. Small intestine is very big. It is 9 centimeter long. Now you will think that we have only this much of body, and then also 9 centimeter of a digestive system. In the digestive system, intestine will come. So and so now you will think that why the small intestine is called not large intestine, and why the large intestine is not small intestine. So if you had seen about these two diagrams, then you will focus on these two diagrams. The small intestine is very thick. It is big in size. It is big in length, but it is not big in size. So the doctors give them name small intestine, and the large intestine is very big in its shape, but its length is very small. So the doctors keep it name large intestine. So now you know what are the difference between them also. So the food will enter to the small intestine, then it will rotate and rotate. In the last there is one tube that is attached between the two tubes. Then it will go through the large intestine, then it will rotate again to large intestine. Then in the last there will come a tube. That tube take the waste product to the anus. Then it will go to the anus, and anus after some times the waste will come from a hole that is also called the anus hole. Then it will come through your hole, and then your digestion is complete. So this was the process of the digestion. If you like my video, then please like my video, and if you are new in my channel, then please subscribe this video. Bye bye.